it's not all just disaster out there. Lemonade had a really good quarter, beat expectations. And, that's actually nice to see, right? I mean, that's kind of what you're hoping a lot of these companies do. Coming in at 65 million versus a $57 million estimate, 236 versus 213. So they're just crushing it as far as raising guidance. That's what you want to see. And there's nothing better, candidly, I'm just going to tell you this, there's nothing better than seeing these stocks that were IPOs, that were high flyers, that have based for months and are breaking out of those bases. You want to look at names like this, okay? In the trading room, the names that we are really focused on, watch 2850 tomorrow. Names that we were focused on after earnings and did quite well with. It got right to that level today. I'll show you that so you can see this. Always set your levels, support and resistance, learn how to draw them properly, because when you know how to do that, you know where you should be scaling out, right? So these kinds of names, when you're coming out with earnings and earnings are good, you're being rewarded in this market. So understand that. That reward is not going away. People might not like this because it's down 71 basis points today. In 3 days, you're up from 57. And you're hardly pulling back, and every day is a higher high. Going into CPI on Wednesday, and you're still hanging in there? You have to take into account where you are in the cycle. So if you like this clip, click on the left to watch another one, or if you want to see the entire video, click on the right.